Let me start by saying that I truly value the Garifuna beliefs inherited from my maternal grandmother, parents, and various elders who are open to sharing some of the forgotten and lost traditional beliefs that are now seldomly passed down to this current generation of Garifuna offsprings. For example, the core belief that it is taboo or forbidden for Garifuna to shed the blood of another Garifuna. The elders' words are that you can lash, whip, and cut anyone with the tongue, meaning that you could tell them off, insult, or cuss them out, but never mark or shed the blood of your kin. The belief of not mutilating the body, including not getting your ears pierced, was adhered to, especially during my grandmother's time. Most of my grandmother's female peers always wore a clip-on earring, as well as my mother's peer, who continued to believe that the body should not be mutilated. My dad practically disowned me, when I was 19 years old and I got a few tattoos and some piercing. He scolded me and he reminded me that the body is a sacred vessel from our ancestors and it was not meant to be tarnished or mutilated in any way. He instructed me to apologize to my ancestors for my actions, which I did. I never got another tattoo or piercing after that experience. An ancient belief is that of the gifts of special powers given to the individuals by the ancestors. It is believed that a baby who is born with a veil covering their face, basically with the placenta covering the infant's face like a veil, is bestowed a gift. This gift or power can be that of sight, being able to see the future or past, healing, hearing, communicating with the environment, animals, or ancestors,